Okay, let's do in class 10, number 2 continued. Let's do B. So we just did A in the last video. So for this one, we did the probability histogram, what breaks at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the probability histogram, the height is given by the probability of the bin divided by length of the bin. So let's make a table here. So our first bin, insert equation. So it's going to be from 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. I got that from here. Next one will be from 1 to 2 from here, and so forth. So let me just copy this a bunch of times, and I'll just make some changes to it. So go down here. A few more times. Go to the bottom here. So then second bin is from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Then from 2 to 3. Then from 3 to 4. Then from 4 to 5. Then from 5 to 6. Then from 6 to 7. And lastly from 7 to 8. So the bins. Okay, now we need to put the probabilities of each of the bins. So the bins then, probabilities are here. So it goes 1, 3, then 4 4s, then 3 1. Okay, so this goes 1 over 24, 3 over 24, then 4 4s over 24s. 4, 4, one more, and then goes 3, then 1. Okay, the length of the intervals, well, the first one will be 1 minus 0, which is 1. Looks like they're all going to be 1. Then just 2 minus 1, which is 1. 3 minus 2, which is 1. 4 minus 3, which is 1. 5 minus 4, which is 1. 6 minus 5, which is 1. 7 minus 6, which is 1. And lastly 8 minus 7, which is 1. Okay, so then the heights are going to be the probabilities divided by the lengths, but all the lengths are 1, so it's going to be just the probabilities. So it'll be 1 over 24, 3 over 24, 4 over 24, 4 over 24, 4 over 24, 4 over 24, then 3 over 24, and lastly 1 over 24. Okay, so we got our table filled in here. So now let's graph our histogram. Okay, so let's do our histogram. So the y-axis here, x-axis here. So let's say this is a 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on the y-axis we'll have our heights. So let's say that's 1 over 24. that would then be, say, 2 over 24. Then 3 over 24. And then 4 over 24. So our first bin from 0 to 1 had height 1 over 24. Our second bin from 1 to 2 had height 3 over 24. And then third bin had 4 over 24 height. So did the next bin. And the one after that. And the one after that also had 4 over 24 as the height. And then went down to 3 over 24 from 6 to 7. Then went down to 1 over 24, the last one. So that would be our histogram. Okay, so there's our histogram. So we're done with the question. So we're done within class number 10.